Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a menu to your Wix mobile site so you can ensure your viewers have a seamless navigation experience and can find your software tutorials or market analysis easily on any device in 2026. Let's get into it. First, switch to the mobile editor view. The first step is moving from your desktop workspace into the mobile-specific design environment. In 2026, Wix uses a mobile-first approach, meaning changes you make here are optimized specifically for smaller touchscreens without breaking your desktop PC layout. Look at the top center of your Wix editor and click on the mobile icon next to the desktop icon. Wait for the editor to refresh and display your site within a vertical smartphone frame. You cannot accurately place a mobile menu while looking at the desktop view. By switching views, you can see exactly how much space you have in the header and where the menu will be most thumb-friendly for your audience. Next, access the Add Elements menu in the top left corner. Now that you are in the mobile view, you need to find the specific navigation components that are built for vertical scrolling and compact headers. Click the plus icon in the top left corner of the editor to open the Add Elements panel. Scroll down the list until you find the Menu category and select Mobile Menus. Wix has categorized mobile menus separately from desktop menus. These are designed to be lightweight and candid, ensuring they don't slow down your site's mobile performance while providing a professional, clean look. Next, choose your hamburger menu style and drag to the header. The hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines, is the universal symbol for mobile navigation. It keeps your blue hour background images visible by hiding your links until they are needed. Browse the available hamburger menu styles, minimalistic, bold, or animated. Click and drag your chosen icon directly into the header of your mobile site. Position the icon usually in the top right corner, as this is the standard location where most viewers expect to find it. Dragging the menu into the header ensures it is pinned globally. This means no matter which software guide or tutorial page your viewer is on, they can always tap that icon to navigate elsewhere without scrolling back to the top. And that's pretty much it. To add a menu to your mobile site in 2026, switch to the mobile editor, click the plus icon in the top left, and drag a hamburger menu into your header. Use the settings and design tools to customize the look of your menu links and background. Finally, preview the animation to ensure it's smooth and hit publish to give your mobile viewers a professional way to navigate your site. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.